So let's learn how to draw an anime, right? That's what people really want to learn sometimes. At least the new generation, maybe a few of the older ones. So it's very easy. I learned at a young age. I was a teenager, but I'm an adult now. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make this as easy as I can. So we're gonna start by making a slightly vertical. Let's just start by making a line from left to right, slightly tilted upwards, starting slightly from the bottom. So here we are. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Okay, right here. You can go up just a little bit, not a whole lot. That's the first part. That's the upper lid. And then from the corner here, slightly in, not over here, right inside, you're gonna curve in a smaller line, just a smaller one. Just like that. Small. Don't worry if you make a mistake, it's okay. And then you can make another line right underneath it, going like this. Hold on, you can't see that. There we go. Like that. That's the other part of the eye. Do you see how this little small line is like inside of these two lines here? Okay. So go ahead and now let's make the eyeball, or the let's just make. I don't know if you guys can see that. Make a little circle in like that, like line, curved line, and then we're gonna do another curved small line in the other side, just like that. And then we're gonna make the eye shine, right? This little small circle line, that's what's gonna be the shine of the eye, where the light is hitting the eye. And then we're gonna make the iris, the small little black dot in the middle of the eye. See, it's starting to kind of look like an eye. Right here, it's we're gonna make a smaller little line. You're gonna make another line right at the bottom right here. Do you see how there's two lines now? Right. You can do that. And then we're gonna make another line right above it. That's the eyelid. Then right over it, guess what? It's gonna be a large long line for this eye. What's that? It's an eyebrow. See? Make sure that this side is always thicker than the one in this side. Okay? This side should always be thicker than this side. Always this side thicker. Okay. Now, let's try to make this slightly more better looking, right? Just a little bit, not a whole lot. You can start by thickening around the line of the whole eyeball. Adding some shade maybe. Doesn't matter too much because this is just a learning video for people who are trying to learn how to do this. Okay? And it's just the longer you take to do this, the more practice you do, the better it's gonna look. This is gonna be a little bit of eyelash. Then you should bring down, well actually let me just do this. I kind of messed up there, but that's okay. Alright. Now one thing I noticed about anime eyes is that the circle of the eye, or the pupil, or the iris, whatever, it's black around, and as well as our eyes have a black line around it. So kind of thicken that line. Now for this part, just make like tiny little strokes, like really small and thin strokes, right? And on the other side, just don't touch the other ones. Okay. And then you can kind of make like a small little shade. Maybe a little line underneath of the eyeball. Sometimes they can't focus the camera. But okay. There. Like I said, this is just for beginners. I'm trying to go as slow as I can. But, there you go. I hope your eye kind of looks like this. Probably even better. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and a comment. If you like the support, make sure to share it with your friends on social media. And yeah, hopefully I see you next time. Have a good day.